of return to normalcy? Not quite. But we're getting there. You still see guys with face masks on motorcycles. But the roads don't know what a lockdown is.
Sir, I got everything on video.
Oh.
The bikes have been long overdue for some exercise.
Oh my God, this state park. Hey, where is this? That's pretty cool. We came to the end of the road. Oh man, yeah, that was some good riding, man. That was good.
Before we knew it, we crossed over into New York.
Oh, I can't wait. There it is, man. The drive-in movie theater. So they just reopened maybe a couple weeks ago. On Saturday, when Sarah and I come with our bikes, we'll probably just take a tent with it. Yeah, dude, that's really good. Yours?
Yeah.
That is wild. Are you like a big 80s kid? Like a big Pac-Man fan?
Pac-Man too. I was like, I'm bringing it back, you know?
Dude, I didn't see that shirt before. Man, that's my whole childhood right there. You had to work to play your game. Sometimes it just wouldn't work. You gotta be like, better luck tomorrow. Try again, kid. Or, hey, how's it going?
And it worked.
And she's right, yeah. That's freaking cool. Let me get a picture of that.
They said, you play? I was like, be for hours.
I like died already.
So cool.
I suck at this game. I used to be good. When I was like 12 years old, I was good. Yeah.
It's so tiny.
It's not a bad end to the day. Sunset like this, you get used to that.